I used to smoke a lot of cigarettes when I was young, you know? And I was always the type of person that would start something and not finish it. And I would always tell myself, I'm gonna finish this cigarette to prove that I can finish something. The fit check right here, dude.
Dude, he looks fucking nice today.
Yeah, it's a new jacket, dude. No. Caesar, come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Huh? Let's get started. We got a morning coffee, dude. It's the #1 priority on my mind right now.
Yeah.
We got, a meeting with interns,
Yeah.
Booty song.
Booty got an interview.
Oh, nice. He told last night?
Like today.
Oh, sick. Yeah. Booty's hard worker, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Just creating the dream team, dude.
That's right.
Yeah. Creating the team.
Special, dude.
I don't want to talk about it yet, though.
Can't reveal it yet.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys know, but there's a new server.
What?
There's a new server.
New server?
Yeah. Capitugueiro. Every morning the same routine, bro. Go drop my kid off. I'm either talking to you on the phone or you're here, coffee and cigarette, and then go home and do some work, There should be some kind of stability, like routine in your day-to-day. I think I posted something a long time ago when I was like younger, because I used to exercise, I used to be like I was trained to be like the next champion boxer, But every morning, dude, I swear to God, shit you not, like the same 6-mile run, same path, like 5 in the morning, sun not up, and fucking tired. But I remember I posted something. I was like, and then afterwards I go to like the gym, stretch or something, and then at night I go to the boxing gym, right? I think I posted something like, if a serial killer was really like following me around and chasing me, it's game over, bro.
Game over.
They could predict everything. So it's like, that's why I say like routine to a certain extent. Like I think like a morning routine is really good. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, light dumbbell work.
I showed Gabe my workout video. He was like, that's just ass, bro.
Try to keep a little bit of routine to kind of like wake my brain up. Like even when I used to go to work, I used to get there a little bit early, in the office. And I used to just like bust out code words for like 30 minutes to an hour. Just to like put myself in some kind of mode, And doing that workout in the morning kind of puts my mode into like, hey, I'm gonna be productive. I think that's super important. It's way different than the one that I used to do. I used to wake up and like chug some water, fucking jack off. I don't know, dude. I like whatever you need to do to snap into that mode. Like some people, like maybe before they take a photo, they try to get a pump and like do push-ups or something. I don't know, dude. What do you do?
Me?
Yeah.
Like I like to. There's like a subway station. I think I told you this. I like to go there and do like 10 flights of stairs right off the gate.
Just snapping your mind into some productive mode, because your mind should have like a productive mode, a lazy mode.
Yeah.
Because if it's always productive, you're gonna go crazy. My name is Phil. I became a senior developer after the age of 30. If you have any like way that you snap yourself into like productivity, or like snap yourself into like lazy mode even, let me know in the comments, because maybe I can like take that tip too. And like, comment, share. It helps me a lot. I'm trying to hit some goals in fucking, by like the first quarter of this year.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Getting my interns ready for my concert, dude.
They have no choice.
They have no choice, dude. And they have to say it's good, dude. Hey, what's up, booty?
Oh, good, man. How are you, man?
I'm alright. I'm
What's
just
up, What's up?
Hey, what's up, song? I will playing guitar for a second. Can you guys hear this?
Yeah. The one time, no kidding, like I had to hear him do like 10 songs in a row.
Dude, I've been playing guitar for so long.
True.
Like since I was like 11. Let me share my screen. Let's just do something together. Okay, so here we're gonna do our first like scrum. okay, what a scrum is, like you usually stand up for like everyone, the team stands up. You say, hey, I did this yesterday. I'm going to do this today. And blockers are more like, hey, if there's anything like you're having trouble with. I know that it's like, I just want to get in the habit of it. So like, I'll just say like, oh, yesterday we, did we just set up the React Native project yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. So yesterday we set up the React Native project. We set up ESLint and I checked all that and I did the pull request for the review for the module resolver. Everything looked good and I tested it. And today I think I want to set up React navigation with you guys and set up like the bottom tabs and all that kind of structure, and then how the navigation will get set up. And then I'll set up the Firebase, and then we'll go back into planning. And then a few blockers I had were, as I think my computer was not restarted, so I had to restart my computer, and there was something with my Java environment, so I had to like reset my Java version.
So yesterday I did the Babel plugin module resolver. I followed documentations for it and I implemented it, and I committed it, and it got merged with the main.
Usually people would just be like, oh, yesterday I was working on the user endpoints and working on create user. Today I'm kind of doing the same thing, no blockers. And people would like, and that would be sufficient enough.
So yesterday I did, I set up the configuration for the ESLinting and Husky.
Okay.
I wrote out the steps, but I couldn't get it
Okay.
like working, so we just did it together. And today I researched Shopify Restyle, just like how to set up the components and installing the dependencies. And I plan on doing that on our project, so I just made a separate project just to play around with.
Okay, cool. All right. The Husky is not working yet on the pre-commit hook, so I have to fix that.
Jocelyn, also, Phil taught us how to do like a Scrum stand-up.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
So if you want to practice.
Yeah, okay. So, Jocelyn, I mean, it's within the project, so it's like what you did yesterday and what you did today, and if you have any blockers, right? So, Jocelyn?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I ask you to just move it a little bit? Can we add the config into utilities? I know.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, and then let's merge it later, and then because I want to do something else with the config file and folder, and then I also want to make a hook. So I'll spend some time with you on setting that up. So let's go to the Hello React Native. So I know that we're gonna need a stack. So the stack is like, like when you're on a screen and then you go to a new screen and you can press back and it goes to that last screen. So like it kind of feels like these screens are stacking on top of each other. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like paper on top of each other. So that's what the stack is doing. And we're gonna make something like stack with the bottom tab. Right? So bottom tab is like the buttons on the bottom of an app, like the home button and the settings button and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna set up now. I like the dynamic one more. I guess you can the static way was like how it was used to be done in like the React Navigation 4, and dynamic is how it's done in number 6. So we'll use this one. I like the dynamic one a little bit more. It's a little bit easier. I just want to see why they're using elements. So do you see how it says found React Native, safe area context, and now it's installing the new dependencies in the pods. So if I actually go to the iOS folder and I find the pod file.lock, you'll see like navigation in here now somewhere. All right, so in the SRC, I'm going to make something called, what should we call it? You want to call it routes or navigation? I like routes though, because you get the actual folder icon.
It's not even a vote.
Sorry, okay, fine. No. Okay, we'll keep it democratic, dude. Like, we're going to have to live with this for like the next like 3 months. We'll add this, like at navigation /src/navigation. So now we'll do import React from React, import navigation container from the React navigation native, and then we'll export default navigation So now we can do const stack equals create native stack navigator. So we have two screens now inside of initial screen and login screen, right? Everyone sees that?
Yeah.
Okay. They used to have to just like read source code and figure it out, because you know what I mean. Though that's like real
What are you trying to
respect.
say, Phil?
No, I mean that's like real respect. You know, like people that like the guy that like made like Roller Coaster Tycoon and stuff like that. So now inside of this auth stack, we can do import initial screen from screens and login screen from screens, right? You see that screens? It all comes from screens and they're all in the auth screens. And we can just add like this little comment, auth screens here. And then we can add a little comment like app screens here as well. But anyways, so now we have navigation set up, right? You see that?
Yeah.
All right. I'll use this real quick. Use typed navigation.ts. I'm gonna do import use navigation, export default function use typed navigation. All right, so if you guys pull main, it should all be there, right? And I'm gonna, I'll be back. I think Jocelyn and I will be back in like an hour and a half or so. Is it okay? Or are you guys? And please. Oh, you're gonna sleep? Okay, just play around with the React navigation. Sorry it took a long time. We ran into a bug, but I mean that's programming, right? And I'll fix the Husky and I'll fix the ESLint stuff. I think there was one mistake that I made, and then React navigation is all set up. So just like play around with it, and try to make your own stacks and stuff like that. And yeah, I think we are all set up. I just want to set up like the context API and the global state management and the async storage. And then I'll merge your code, Booty. I'll make a little bit of changes. The next thing we have to do is set up some Firebase stuff. And then this React Native logger I think is done, but I'm going to check it, right?
Okay.
So actually, before it goes into done, we should do ready for QA. And then, okay, so how I want this to work is when you guys finish ready for QA or ready for review, and then I'll either put it into done or recheck, right? We'll talk about the design and we'll do another sprint planning on Friday. Is it okay?
Okay, that's fine.
And then we'll really start working from Monday. All right, so I know the setting up is taking a long time. Let's just do everything carefully, make sure we don't break anything. And the TypeScript will be all set up too. And yeah, just take it easy, and I'll see you guys later. So,
Alright, thank you.
all right.
Wait, so are we still meeting in an hour and a half? Or
If you can, I mean, after dinner, I'll probably still be here. Like Minnie and I are still here, and Jocelyn will be here too. So,
no? Okay. Alright, sounds good.
all right, later.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
But